Hello everyone, you're on the Khan Mead channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make things out of clay. And here's how it looks now. I'm making it out of very hard non-sulfur plastiline clay and also from hard sculpting clay. You can see how the car looks when it's just at the very beginning stage of creation, let's say from the inside, when the material hasn't been finished yet and there are still small scratches on it. You can already see the Chevrolet's familiar shapes. At this point, I've made almost the entire body, the bottom of the car, and the interior, not counting the front and rear parts. As you may have already noticed, there are some parts with foil. It's needed so that the clay keeps its shape and doesn't sag. For example, there's foil glued to the roof as well, and thanks to it, the roof keeps its shape and doesn't sag. Even though the clay there is very thin, the thickness of this orange clay is just 1 millimeter, and the body parts are attached to a kind of frame. This is necessary to save weight and for realistic damage, simply put, so that the clay can deform and imitate damage just like it would on a real car, only on a smaller scale. Yes, I'm making this car so I can crash it later. The detailing on the car is very good, especially the underbody. Although this part of the car is rarely seen, I like to highlight many details in the car that aren't really necessary to make. That way, it will look cooler and more realistic. So far, about 60% of the car is finished. So, that was a brief overview of my work and what I've managed to do so far. There's just a little bit left and I'll finish this muscle car. I hope you liked how I'm doing with this Chevrolet. If that's the case, then subscribe to the channel and hit like if you're interested in my work. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye to everyone. Subtitles created by